Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to show you in just 7 days naturally you can turn white hair to black permanently, and this magical remedy, my friends, with all natural and simple ingredients that you do have at home, you can turn your white hair to black permanently, and I promise you with a very magical permanent result. We'll need to prepare this magical remedy is aloe vera leaf, and here we need to use the natural aloe vera leaf, and now we need to cut the leaf like so, my friends, and get the gel out the leaf. So after cutting the leaf like so, my friends, we need to remove the gel out the leaf with an aid of a spoon. After getting all the natural aloe vera gel, we need to add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, and here I'm using brew instant coffee. And now, my friends, we need to add all these ingredients underneath double boiler method to heat it not on a direct heat, and keep mixing very well until all the ingredients combine very well together like so. Once all the ingredients combine very well together and we get this black texture, we need to remove it from the underneath double boiler method and apply it on your hair scalp. Apply it all over your hair, my friends, and leave it into a shower cap, and repeat this process 3 times a week for the best results. This will turn your white hair to black permanently in just 7 days, and I'm sure this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies, and I'll see you in my next video. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.